round of applause for this one. The song is going to keep his time close and defend his name with this right. Round of applause, round of applause. Let's have a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for 16 Time Tour Classics, presented to you by Mr. Dwight.
She's a promoter for the event, and without a doubt it was a successful event. Bear vibes, everybody come out, them smiling. Carol, I hear this is an annual thing. What's in the water?
I mean, this has been a third one for us, and like, you know, the DJ said all the proceeds go to Jamaica. We don't keep anything for ourselves, and that's to utilize buying school supplies for the kids in Jamaica because they really need it. How I got in, my partner who's collecting at the door, he brought me to Jamaica one year to teach me a lesson because I was one of those females. Gimme, gimme, gimme. The more I get it, the more I want it. And then when I get it, I throw it away. So he figured that I didn't appreciate things, and he wanted me to see the value and how people appreciate things. So he took me to Jamaica one year, and we was giving out from the back of our own van. And then, you know, I liked the idea. And then the next year we went back, we realized that the things that we gave to the kids, they had it in better condition. The sneakers was like, they got it yesterday. The book cover were covered, and that just motivated me more. And then that's where I created the Butterfly Wings Foundation, you know, because we wanted to do more. So we expanded that after that experience.
Okay, so
Foundation. Actually, why I named it Butterfly Wings Foundation is because I'm always a lover of butterflies. Okay, and the wings is like, you know, if you look, you see butterfly embrace, right? So that was the name that came up. But it's a 501c3. We are tax exempt. We are charity. Okay, and it's a legal organization. Okay. So.
A while ago you said the DJ, you know, talked about the whole thing. Who's DJing tonight?
Okay, who's DJ? Baby Chris DJ, KO, up and coming artist from Maryland. And then we also had the Reggae Twins, you know, and they came out and gave us their support.
Okay. What up with DJ Six, guy? He was the one that told me about the event.
Okay, so. DJ Six is also his sister Shemaine Beaker. She's a part of the foundation, and she brought him on board. For the last 3 years, he has been playing music for us, and he's really excellent. You know, he come out and give us support, like his sister Shemaine does, because she also go out and purchase school supplies, and we ship them. As a matter of fact, the beginning of this month, we shipped 500 barrels to Jamaica already, and it's our goal to ship by sometime in August, another 500 barrels.
Okay, okay.
For also Butterfly Wings will be coming out with their t-shirt line. We already everything is licensed and patterned, and also a baseball cap. And the t-shirt line is like me. I don't know, for me, words and things have meanings for me, because when I was growing up, I used to hear my mother say a lot of little sayings. You know, when we were
Proverbs
young,
and stuff like
we
that.
didn't quite understand it. But then when we got older, then it started going into meaning. So I decided to implement those sayings that she used to say within the
With the
t-shirt.
t-shirts. Well,
Yes. Next year, I mean, we have some good designers like Creation have been with us since day one. Mr. Vindictive Couture, Dwight, he has been with us since day one. He teaches the model how to walk, and I mean, to me, Hollywood has nothing on him. Then we had Marsha, who was a model, and then she became a designer. Then I Collection joined this year, and then I think Dominique came on board this year also, you know, so I really thank them, and I thank all the people that was there to support us. And I also want to give Cliff a big thanks, because, you know, he had just reopened his store.
Wait,
And
Cliff.
yeah, he had just reopened his store.
Wait, she just big you up and thing, you know,
Yes.
so.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
he had just reopened his store, and, you know, even without knowing me, just based on my friend gave him a recommendation, and he took us in under his wing, and he, like, twice a week. I know he was tired of us. We came and tore his place up for like twice every week for the last 2-3 weeks, and he never once complained. He opened us with open arms, better than these people here.
Yeah, man, good
you know?
people, you can't deny it. Good people.
I have to really thank him, you know, for embracing us and giving us base one. That's on Bronxwood and 224. That's the address that I know.
Yeah.
And he opened us, even if he have other events, he try to implement us within the events. He never closed his door on us. And for that, you know, Cliff, I really want to thank you for everything that, I really want to thank you for everything that you have done and provide for us. Even though I know I was a pain in the butt. But.
Alright. TV.
Okay, this is Carol Dunkley from Butterfly Wings Foundation, and you're watching Caribbean Star TV Live. Oh, so Butterfly.
Alright. Mingo's nightclub in the Bronx, and we're here with an artist. He was a performer tonight at the fashion show. Introduce yourself.
My name is Killer KO from Greensboro, North Carolina. Von Hart Records. Dope boy music in the building. It's just good to be here, you feel me? This was a good event. I had a good time, had a ball out here, you feel me?
Okay. So I see you representing North Carolina. And the show brought you to Bronx.
Yeah.
How was the show?
The show was a wonderful experience, man. I enjoyed it. The models did their thing. The DJ was doing his thing. I mean, it's a blessing just to be here. I had a ball. I want to come back next year. I wish we was doing it again sooner, but I guess I got to wait. But 2 thumbs up out of me. I'm the best kept secret, now the talk is out. I go hard from the trap to the Waffle House. And everybody is a thug, you can chalk it out. But if you never had a whip, I guess you walk it out. So what's the fuss about? I'm sick of whack rappers and all these fake OGs who ain't never clapping. I spit hard from my soul, I don't need a napkin. And I ain't never shot a man, I believe in scrapping. You feel me? Killer KO in the building, you did.
Yeah, man,
Big up the CaribbeanStarTV.com. You already know that's who we rolling with when we up in NY, baby. For sure.
Alright. The fashion show, it sell off, everybody come out, them can't stop smile. The DJ there, Baby Chris, big up yourself, talk to the people them.
Well, definitely, as I said, don't know, the fashion show, it was mad, you know what I mean? It was crazy. I like it so much. I like it. Yeah, and definitely, as I say, you don't know, Caribbean Star TV, you see me I say, as I say, I'm there one more time again, but definitely, I'm a part of the Caribbean Star people, them, you know, definitely, you know, because I just signed with 5 Star record just now, you know what I mean, Father Cliffy, K-Star, and the whole family. Definitely. Come and I see the outstanding surrounding, and I mean it was like something where I look forward, where it's like a more different type of crowd.
Yeah,
you understand me?
from
Yeah, from the regular party, the dance hall, the whole stage show people them. That was like a fashion where, you know what I mean, you have to dress to the thing. I just say fashion, you know what I mean? Yeah, one under, yeah. As me I say, you get me? The whole thing set, so for the fashion, you know what I mean, we really turn out, and then the upliftment from the crowd, it was nice, you know what I mean, because I went and I do my first hit song, which is ring ding 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 ding, you know what I mean, and people don't really see me like that still, because I Europe I live still, you know what I mean, in London, UK, so it's like coming to the States now and doing a couple of promotion, it's really good.
Okay. So, what you said, the fashion show draw you far, it bring you all the way to New York City.
Definitely.
So ring ding, the sell off.
Yeah man, global man.
Global.
Yeah.
So, what, not new?
Yeah man, as I say right now, we have the follow-up fee, which is ring ding ding.